Powerful recipe to increase energy and sexual potency: garlic, lemon, and honey drink. Are you looking for a recipe that can provide a boost of energy and sexual potency? Then, this drink is exactly what you need. With the combination of garlic, lemon, and honey, this recipe can change your life. Follow these simple steps and try it out now. Ingredients: 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of coffee, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of honey. Step 1. Peel and crush the garlic. Take 3 garlic cloves and peel them. Then, crush them well to extract all their benefits. Garlic is known for its aphrodisiac effects and for increasing energy, so it is an essential ingredient for this drink. Step 2. Add coffee and lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee to the garlic mixture and mix well. Then, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and add it to the mixture. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and increase energy. Step 3. Add hot water and let it rest. Add 1 cup of hot water to the mixture and mix everything again. Cover the mixture and let it rest for 30 minutes. This will allow the ingredients to blend and create a smoother taste. Step 4. Add honey and mix everything. After the mixture has rested, strain it and add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix everything very well and your drink is ready. Honey is a natural sweetener and is also known for its aphrodisiac effects. Try this drink and feel the difference. This recipe is known to provide energy and strength throughout the night. So, if you are looking for a boost of energy and sexual potency, do not hesitate to try it out. Share this recipe with your friends so they can also experience all these benefits. Don't forget to write in the comments what you thought of the recipe. Your opinion is very important to me. And don't forget to click on the like button to support my work. I hope this recipe is useful for you. Until next time, friends.